Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with a clean copy of the clip so you can undo quickly. Import and duplicate the track. This protects the original. Next, open your color or hue/saturation controls and turn on a scope. This helps you see the red peak. Now scrub to the worst frame, zoom in, and draw a small circular mask over each eye. That confines the fix. Once done, you're ready to isolate the red tones inside those masks for targeted correction. You now isolate the red using HSL or the hue eyedropper. Sample only the bright red pixels inside the masks so you do not affect surrounding skin. Reduce saturation of that sampled hue and nudge hue toward natural iris tones. Less is better. Then feather the mask about 8 to 20 pixels to blend the change. Make sure to enable tracking so the mask follows the eyes when the subject moves. This keeps the correction consistent across the finish by playing the full clip and refining saturation, brightness, and hue inside the masks until the eyes look natural. Once done, check the mask tracking. If it drifts, add manual keyframes or retrack using a more stable feature near the eye. Export a short test clip and use the /B toggle to confirm the correction blends with the original footage. If colors still pop, reduce the correction amount rather than increasing it. Minor tweaks often solve overcorrection issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.